Hi everyone, I'm Sandra from ACT Websites in Canberra. Today I want to show you how to save time by conducting a bulk update of your WordPress plugins. Only the plugins marked as requiring an update will be updated. First you have to sign into your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to the Plugins Installed Plugins area. So let's do that, and I'm already on that page as you can see. So then select the square at the top of the page, you can see right here, and then you go to the drop down menu, bulk actions, and select update, and then you apply to update. Now note, when the plugins have been updated, your WordPress site goes into maintenance mode. So potential site users will not be able to access the site during this time. So if you're updating the plugins on the live site, pick a time to carry out your updates when you expect little or no traffic. And that's all for me today. Thanks for watching.